Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Honda CRV air filter. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, possibly a flathead, and of course, your new air filter. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you begin. Then, open your hood and locate the air filter housing, usually a black plastic box on the passenger side. Now, let's get that housing open. You'll typically find 2 to 4 metal clips or a few screws holding the cover in place. Gently unclip or unscrew them. Once loose, carefully lift the top half of the air filter box. Take a moment to observe how the old filter sits inside. This will help you install the new one correctly. With the housing open, you can now remove the old, dirty air filter. Just lift it straight out. Before putting in the new one, take a quick look inside the housing for any leaves or debris and clear them out. Then, carefully place your new air filter into the compartment, ensuring it sits snugly and in the same direction as the old one. Almost done, carefully lower the top cover back onto the air filter housing, making sure it aligns properly. Reattach all the clips or screws you removed earlier, ensuring everything is secure. It's a good idea to check your air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles for optimal engine performance. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.